Did you know that you can easily earn money every day just by watching movies from the comfort of your own home or bed while doing whatever you want? If so, I'll show you how to do it today. And it's one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? Here's how to earn $700 per day just by watching movies online. This is one of the best ways to make money online because it's super simple and easy to set up. You can start making money just by watching your favorite movies or TV programs. Make sure to keep watching because I'll show you how to do it. To get started, this method is completely free, which means you won't have to invest any money at first. Furthermore, this method is available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you'll be able to make money with it. All you need is your smartphone or computer to begin earning money every day with this method.
We teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Let's get started with the method. The first step is to go to this website called Film Tagger or filmtagger.com. You can also go to this website by searching for Film Tagger on Google. When you hit enter, Google will bring you these results. Click on this one here and it will open this page. As you can see, it says find movies like the films you love and tag by genre, theme, location, and so on. So what is this website? Film Tagger is a website where you can search for different movies and it will give you all of the information that is available on the internet about that movie. We will need that information to automate the entire process for us. So all you have to do is watch movies online and this website will do the rest. For example, I may use this search bar to look for the movie Rampage. When you click on the movie, it will take you to this page where you must again select the movie you want to watch and make money from. As you can see, here's the page that we need. This is a movie image with its title and list of different genres. Genres that are colored in green are genres that correspond to this film. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find this. These are all of the different tags that may be associated with this movie. If you click on See All, this website will give you all the tags that are related to this movie. These tags are precisely what we're searching for. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, let's make some money. I've opened this post from Hello Giggles to show you why we need those tags from that website. As you can see, they are public news from a few years ago, and they're talking about a new job that started them. Here, there's a job that allows you to watch Netflix all day, and here is how you can apply. If you scroll down a little farther, you will be able to learn about this job, which is most people's dream job. Netflix taggers are more previously known as editorial analysts, watching Netflix series, movies, and specials in order to tag them with relevant metadata. These tags make it simpler for you to search for items to watch based on categories you enjoy or things you've already seen. In a nutshell, a Netflix tagger is a man who needs to watch movies and other materials from Netflix in order to get paid. While watching a movie, they must write down different tags that are related to that movie. And that is where this website can help you a lot. You can simply copy all the tags from this website and paste them into a file and send it to Netflix. And you will do nothing but watch a movie and Netflix will pay you well. Now all you have to do is apply for that job at Netflix, and I'll show you how to do that right now. First, go to Netflix jobs page, jobs.netflix.com, which is where you can apply for any job at Netflix. They offer new positions every month. Most of the jobs are remote, so you can work from wherever you want. Here in the search bar, type tagger and hit enter. It will show you the job and you can apply for it there. As you can see, there are no open spots right now because I'm recording this late in the month. But don't worry, they open new spots every month. And you just have to be quick because all the spots are usually filled within 1 or 2 days of the new month. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.